Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Dwumadze yi din we aye mpobwa. Mpobwa sort desert, lufes, lipes na de. Say pem works na da ebo Emmanuel into bracket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya ebun. Pem location so me wa agrek. Me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
We see another will be a call of women by DSGTV. I say, no, say, Nsemsem Dwumadze and a do an apart from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Yede Eba Sumona make a show say, and summer age you go mining Western region has say, especially say, the little cradiasi, any a cup one na ye dear brother was winning himself COVID-19 and Daroma. They make us a baby, a dear bobo near dear, but trust me, say, empire. And then I say, she go from no. Now, go bet in all the what it will be ano, and slow what it was one a bomb pie and father crop and fine. Cause one no said fasting a bomb pie and Yanko bet is so free. Now, and rather I send me a air cost no, and my dream one mean near any auntie see. See, will be a Bible, ma, Bible, and see, we now be more Bible, quotation, I be who no way to swab on pie, good, so, and that's what we never choose you. Now, one no, and no, now. Na menti ase no ada me busuafo from me mama from me amma gigigigi me mama nyabotre ya bompa ye na de chia ape awon asem esini na so mpese me man nyanti ase wi ase wo no ho ye wo sunsun ne ma wo ene ye hu ne mu ne ma wo ene ye wo de aboneyefo bi me kire nkrofo no ho nkrofo no wo mu ye enti no wo ye nyame de no mo so ye mo so de. So let us all be careful and pray. If indeed this thing is true, trust me. And you can so be a way. So what I say. So if indeed this thing is true, there's no problem. We will all abide by it because at the end of the day, no, what ye and I here at the end of the day, no, I arisa and ye here say beba on my gani mu. Now and that's what man penny so and the no must send be brave edit to ja. Oh, I watch they say. See, ya case yan lock it down, pan did ya, eh? Any assembly because send me having be or no way crabby. I want queer for more, want to mean a day, want to me entina, want to me NDD, or my middle papa any to me the dear. Now you are better lock it down we. So what I say, locking down we. And the assembly bow because I'm a bit of it, or me boy me movie, me cow be a. Me boy me movie, and lockdown we bar. And so I'm paying actually say, a bear say, a minor, a bear share to near my be ye. I consider all this and I say, who can put a worker? I would just see couple so me crumple. I see a bell lock at the one what pen and pan or tell with me. Obianya who wants one penny and it says, Ghana for me, Empire is sugar, couple betty, and I'm penny for so gusua, or moody to my senior bear, coronavirus, will be free so now I can in your home. It to me at to a yes, I panded ya, lock it down, and that's so young couple want to come as for yes, spray. Aha, and checks, talk right dear, but do I do her to me the way of you at it. Aye. The way of feeling in idea about your home by night, say, Bibia, it to me, our course. So, and no president, Yawakano, ye bet your name, and some young to me catch it out on the video, Nicacrana, if we are, you bet one so.
Whatever we do, people are talking now in Ghana about a lockdown, this and that. The majority of people who will be affected by decisions of that nature are the working people of our country, the ordinary people of Ghana. They're the ones who will be most affected. And it is important for us when we're taking these decisions to take into account their circumstances and conditions. You're going to lock down Accra. What are the consequences? Going to lock down the country. What are the consequences? Or particular areas of the country. A government, a responsible government, is required to look at all the implications before decisions are made. And that is the exercise on which we're currently engaged. And I'm hoping that much sooner than later we will come to an agreement within government of what those measures are. And then the Ghanaian people will be informed.
and you know, not just say, or Mampeni, dear, what they ever to or the Magana for you, and I ain't here at the Cosona, your bumpy, and no hook COVID-19 at that room. And our brand here be on what tonium. I have run to Lenke. What composing nice song, and I'm a COVID-19. I watch it, say, oh, Royansa, use sanitizers near dear no, natures are boy in arm, and I know some sort of slim penny for say, won't be do, let you make your moody, no moody years, and you're being in a home, a bit to make you could take to Lenke, Emma.
Can't show be a shows. You closey, Joe. To the bank, we can be a me book last flight to a safe room. So I cancel shows, I for stay home. Make cash, you cry lucky, I make him rare. Cause I'm only MP, they make slow. Family and so dodgy promoters. Corona to a boy, no BS row. Corona to which I near my blow. Corona to Ronaldo to Aquasha Island, wine and slow, BS row war. Liverpool shit, they make him rare. All sword and friends, all make him rare. And the boys will take them, a feast by stand for report, only God can save them. I can go out, I'm so alone now. I miss Bloomba, I want to chill now. Want to Bolingo, I want to link up, I want to turn up. Yeah. Cure, what's the cure, baby? Life start the ball lately. What's on the news? Every day, all day, brand new song. Wash our hands while there's no cure, baby. Sanitize, be strong, baby. Yeah, mate, I said, yeah, our nation no go for Corona, hate what you doing. When the China will be fan by us, so we are peaceful people. Corona, stop what you doing.
Aha, into the Lenke is only the Avatar, no idea. We all know I am a classmate. Oh, aha, did you man and a Gusua, ye, no. Now, I don't pay, and for Nibia, me person, me no mean in a yeshe. Dear Mamma and Penny water to say in a yabutre, Nampin for Gusua near Juma, Sinabine who between me because, or where a young my yen be any young baby a tear, and conquer boy say a bell lock it down now, naturally say. No quite so no. Na endo poko wakata ni muno you feeding na dia baba kona wo kire se Ghana e be lock down ni ya 15 billion Ghana cedis and sign say ka se e be lock down na ya na me no nnu ne etetu e bisa susu ampa se sasike Ghana ye obi da ho no mo se wa wo yi anu wi a na wanka se we decide say yen lock it down and I say my yen lock it down and the Gary cra one cup cry to say yes, yeah, coronavirus baby BIO and then my prices are cost sanitize and you 2 cities no and I'm 10 cities so into no into money dear mama in nya hotel na nyakopo obekasa na nyina ye ho etumi atonye and I pay send am say kan ye sinkonya wo fie hase na empenifam no me sinkonya no ye be share something very interesting. I just do Friday dear na yakoya ye die on na ye da kaya ho hye here call a holidays and I say weekend they are kaya who she say be to me I find and then the other say but for case can say platonic relationship a quiet be first wa e be to me a sustaining platonic relationship e wo yen you to know the ye mu most times you to na so you to dey say from 12 years to say 45 or say 40 years we youth you know when you bet me first so you bet to me my platonic relationship and I say enkita hudi a da oba ne be mantemu a sebe empemu agro enye den entaye echi botai no entaye echi eno ena peyesi enkonwa e wo studio ha se ya ye hwe na ami kan jo say enam santin menyam penifo atitire mienu e wo efie ha se e be share spiritual side of it na I shared ye so ye die penifo no dia wo mo wo edema intana pe no me wo mama Mercy Mesrebe kwashi so mama Mercy Mesrebe kwashi oko Department of Social Welfare Welembela wono peni a wogine mu pa na afi so asmo pastor Nana Eje Buachi wono so sofo a secretary krade hase ne se wono so wodi nyame asem ene nam papa and IPPM aha oho no no so wodi sofo oho no se bibia Fante no mama kwashi wo de ne meka nzema nko a wo side ne nzema ne che so for de no so maka Fante
okay
enti mama kodie
nyamnado maybe alebete
nyame woke bibia bete so for I was apome
nyamnado bia woko
be mama akwa aba ideas TV what you say ya mama kwaba e de ideas TV
okay
bibia bokwa no
nyamnado bibia
na virus adaroma bibia ekti
pochenya
aso nyankopɔ empa ni go so for what dey customer present say we jayu e say we to us wa yes sir mommy anabe ye share platonic relationship ana say nkita wodi ana sadam fufa buta ye say bia me we beda ekire na de no enim ene ye bisase aso samre ye wo mu sa platonic relationship ya ye ken ebetumi erenia ebetumi ayade bebetumi abasusu ampa hwese na tete no na se na nema setie ne net na way of living no esitie na mommy ye betumi enya this kind of relationship ene
the medical mother obiase especially ideas TV the anapay adom he na ya betena ha ma ye rebo dwendwen he na abatane no mu nkita ho na ozika no meka de yankopon bo wiadze no so obo be yin no besia enwa obo no munyame nyina afefe no de hye nyipa ne nsa de be yin no besia wo se won no wondor no won sha asase ma nti na ye wontete ai abatan wo de tete won ba nti tete no gonu ma huru bebre obi wo ha odi nenyu akasa kire ne ba obi wo ha odi ne ham obi ham obi so tiatia obi hyehu na aze nti ehwe dem ntete na wo de tete nyina bom ma oma mefa ne hene moframan wonyin wo be ye promprom mi gidi de wa so wontete a wotete wo fie do bia na oye osronko sen amenso ma meze tete ma moframa wo fie aha bia na wo maame ofofo o ma wotrim ye odaw nti no obi so ne din o hyenuhu nti se bia wo hia na wo di nkoma am de maame onti dem o am papa onti dem o mama ehwa na kire am de ye chechirem na ehu de na we na mmedi oti de ayende na isu ni de oti dem na wo de ma o hye asema nti ebi se de ye botum ya ye dem azina ye botum baka da abatantete
ye mofram me se bia me any akrabi oti e fe na acid enya mini ono so e wo yesu di because that bio ekra no e woni eti anti mini acid na ye say ye ko acid me say na nkonkwa hye me mai ono na ebi nini mu na my friends acid me church your bible mu me no fa nyame asemu me no fa nkwaje asemu ni ade na afidi o yenko acid na twe no yenko evangelism nke bi nche CEO because on time kwa sorry CEO fa cheno ate yenka bi nche abu ni ade na afidi yenka nche na afi acid yankopon adom benya nkonkro wodi mu na wasati see visions ama and then they be me hu pa no ye nya sam keto ante ama pese me mra fi wo fie anase wanka sa be fie na afidi na de be kokko na kwapo nti ye relationship some kind of mindset no attach it to it say na ye brain mu ye woman ye brain mu is na scenario me man ye betumi esi betumi nya some kind of relationship no
ana meka de ofi hena mofaman ntete ya ye be hye ho no wo ase nti se ye de hye ho na ase dan medi kan ka de osono bia ntete anwu na azin na mu hu de oye wonyanko nti no moti biara no oye wonyanko adwini biara nte yechiri nti onyim dama anyankofan osada awu maame no enyini di dama nyankofan eja onyini ba besie di anyankofan nti ohun de na eja mesimo onyini di anyankofan dama na onyanko acid ono so botumnye amiso enya de benyim osande ne papa bia na ogware osesie no ohun bibiara oha wo damaze no oye ne ba besia na dama na ne maame so ogware onwa ohun bi nti dama ade na wo ho nti so benyin dum pempendu bia na se onya nyankwa nyanko na onye nenam no onu na adwum yende damaze nda bi nye dam na wode tete na da nye dam na ote nti ohun de oye adze fofuru bi man dami bo no bebisa e seri nyina de mazi ba wakoma ye di na ebisa na ebisa o maame ebisa o papa e ho na se enan na nya kwa nkyere mu ye ya na afi o kede na kede mamu ame mo dwen nya dem noti enti so bisa de edan ye kwa ha na oyi bia abenti ka de ma se mi kire ma mentase also man kasa no se wonu e benyini dem na nyini di agrofa nyewa de ma noti enti bo de we hu de ma noti enti adwene o da aba no onfa na se enan na nya kwa nka nche no se afobon asata nyi menyi free zagor asata nyi menyi wonyo obedida na kire wakai de na kire se wo zagor de ma nda no wo ehu mesi ma de na kaya afra no nyi no ntaso na we hu efie mu ye no wafa odo pwe abo ano opwe abo ano so nyo ohia no ode foforo ba nti obebe fie we bebisa nti ho na enna na eja yenya ode yenya abotane a kirekire ye nua ye mba da mazi no wodi nyin nti say ancheche no mu anfa nyin na se wan ignore wan brofa be mo wan ignore
wan china de AC pia
na wen yi na adwene mfi nya abrante na okehia na awuraba na okehia no oza ahye ni tirim na so awa ai da wo na erma no kwande mo abrante no kan na anyin ti no me so me yedam nti da mazi no wo kwa yebotum ya ye na nyina obefi ntete a yenye ye mofam no wo fi a ye ba mu wehu ye ni ye ai ne ka de gender isenya mesia beyin ne ntete mesia ne beyin ne ntete ne nyeden adwumoko musumu dwumoko beyin dwumoko besia dwumoko otwutwu nchansim musumu twutwu nchansim nti so ko baby na okoto de beyin twutwu nchansim onye hu anane papa twutwu nchansim a onye no hu ehu mesima adrekata nanso ono ne fie no onye dem na wa hyende besia nkote na oye nti okwa mkoto do simesi ni papa okita nchansim iye wa ye no kotobonku look at that ehu mesima otina nti se ye kade yere ye pa mudofo dem ehihye no butum abado dem paternity obabado de mo faman obutum aye
omati wo mu ho ase atena
adwen bi rembem enyim nhye dem mbompa ma adinchi so ame onyi eboa
moda ho
beye obedzagu obedzi mpepragor nti awumpo da adwene bampa obohu de abade na ye na ye dem nti obeska awumpo ai da adwene ban osande obohu de awonyi wutirim kra nti obekere na yo no ya budu ma ada me ye mpo thank you
Jesus especially mu eti wonte he
se susun konkro na lampo da ne de ye kai menya vision there odem obohu de enye papa
wow
yes obohu de enye papa osande me ma me na nam parent na nam sofwe anayi wa mama atase de dem not nta wo sunsum ne konhu no yefa na kire ndada bi na ezebe dada be
but how fast you bet to me develop it sir adwen no na eye property memra sofo ye share ase na just say platonic relationship no e come na say e sort of spiritual kind of friendship be ni ade because I said na one say mafanya me say mafanya no kwan na ekoba ne say normal way of living be mani obaye tu ye ho fon abrabom ni ade I said no one
I think say senya Ghana ye setting na ye no sisi anamenka se senya wiase ekono ama nieme bi aye almost impossible ama nieme bi aye te say wachi bide no unya koye different kakra na asema ba ho but anafo fight say no very possible very possible say sha me hunu telenovela no that was maybe 2001 na me hunu telenovela me kai quando says me na say for that was my first way
na you say me chen
na ni but who share sa nema na edi nema bebre ba ye see ni mu ewo Ghana ha say what you say because President Kennedy ana or President of America ka send o say say utumi enya otamfo ada ne yonko
okay
because utumi enya otamfo the easiest simplest way ni se be ye ne yonko o ye ne yonko dia ni abeye bia no he is blind to it na ni efra wo ho nti no ontumi hu se otamfo ni what you say nti no sanso na nneɛma bi a ɛte sei no a project pictures bi anaasɛ ama nneɛma bi aba yɛ adwenem wɔ abere a yɛnhu no ntama the moment a bɛrima anaasɛ ɔbaa bi nko ɛte baabi gyina baabi ɛwɔ baabi no na adwene no abɛyɛ sɛ aha bɔne na ɛbɛyɛ dɛn ɛkɔ so wate ase
bɛrima ne ɔbaa no sɛ nka nkyerɛkyerɛ ne
ɛnyɛ time biara na bɛrima ne ɔbaa bɛhyia sɛ te sɛ social gathering bi a ɛyɛ bible nko a na yɛ discuss because ɛnɛ wiase mu no yɛkɔ school yɛwɔ anamfoɔ ne ebusua anamfoɔ ne adeɛ nyinaa wɔ hɔ a yɛwɔ ho kwan sɛ yɛtumi kɔsra wɔn ne ade nta nyɛ sɛ de biara no me ne ɔbaa bi bɛtena hɔ no ɛbɛyɛ bible mu asɛm kwan na yɛbɛka first of all platonic relationship na ne dɛ ɛne yankofa a yɛwɔ a anaasɛ yankofa yɛ ne obi a ɔne yɛn ɛnyɛ su baako te sɛ meme yɛ bɛrima yi mepɛ ɛma anamfofoɔ mepɛ ɛma anamfofa obisa there say as far as say ye ni pay there you relate me say me wonu anom ma 5
okay
into no me emma relate no very normal to me very normal to me but obi ope emma ananfofa na ni je ho no ye frɛ no heterosexual that means na ni je obi a onye the same sex another sex Neniji, me won for bebrea, omo na amfo because they feel so much to me ka nneema bi a ha won nasefo ne nneema bi e de kire beema enye sunsun mu nneema e de kire beema chen se wo ka kire oba nte sa na hu sa nipa not mu say omo na amfo nyina ye ema anana amfo nyina ye emema because ofili say nneema bi a wa fam within the course of abrabo yi no ema na nyi ni same sex ni what you say ana say treatment bi onya ya abra onyi ni ntino ama oni mema e relate more chema ana oni ma relate more chema what you say and sa no enye boni so oni bema be relate more than ma a personal opinion from nipa na fam because nyankopon bo nipa no mfiti ase the bible say na nyankopon hu say adam nkote ho no enye ma ne se ono nkwa beto wanka se ne ho aye ne kon o se ono nko ho no enye ma ne se ono nkwa be de ebe wo nti onye den omo ne boafo. After that statement, no, nyame twen. No ma Adam ema emo ne din, obo mo no ma omo din. Oka Genesis chapter 2 a, oma amo ne nyina din ni ade. Owie ye no, ansa no obe ma Adam ada. What you say? So oba na ma because say be ma no ne ho aye ne because oka sa statement say ye mo oba ne meye ne boafo. O ma amo ne ba. Adam me ma won din. Obo mo no ma mo ne ba. Adam me ma won din. That means say Adam or garden no bibi atwa ne ho show to me ne omo interact ntade e friend boredom ne nasefo no eni ho na ode oba ne ba sin ne mo ntu to me say oba na ama say o be keep no company in terms of so obedum edin ye na atwa ne ho hia no what you say no it's supposed to be natural say be ma to me ne oba relate in that way no ana bibia nc enter what you say sesane na mama ka no ye nyine no adwene bi wo ho aye de ahye yetirim a
enya adwene o se ibacho me ba enya se bi adwene bi de ahye yetirim on se enimpa nyankopon bo na wabo ode atinke bi ahye manu no ye natural
yes
enti na mene wo na di adanfofa o ye de fa na se ye call sorry and as we call programs together na ade ye nam ye di nkomo ye di ababo nkomo na ade na e de e be ware
yes
I don't miss my worry. This kind of conversation will bring itself up. Into one I hear her say bringing it up in Pona, how are we able to sustain that friendship that wouldn't lead to such sexual desires?
You say platonic relationship nangaza no. Mame touch on that particular subject no on psychological aspect.
Okay.
See, yeah, funny say one am no, and you're friends with benefit. And yen na for far ma far me dey pay bibiri efrim nta kwati say nkofo bi dey in a relationship say me per sex but only nipa ni relationship as in say ne boyfriend ni ana ne girlfriend ana na fiancé ni what you say mo ya anamfo but per sex so to me friend no what you say platonic relationship emphasize kwan no what you say eni sa botaye no na eni sa foundation ni say me take advantage of obi na nsanso ni sa foundation ne say omo mienu no ba ko atenkama ne yonko platonic relationship ni sa element in platonic relationship no to omo mienu no omo na che omo nante no obi atumi project minimum nkrofo bi a do your man na won fate ne be ma ne oba obi a suspect say nko omo no omo be ware but ko wi ase na be ma no ye ne wedding na oba na ye dream say o be ware ne mom no that person mom na di akote onipa no we say bra we pa wa show lady but to me lady no reaction na e kire wo say ade a wo dwen no na ni omo ntem
mom we say correct.
Yes. I have a friend, Eric. They make us say, because my friend say, Eric, no, you're madam for. On your madam for, you share, accommodate, you diagram, you share ideas together. And a do it, you know, or when you near friend of Felicia. And see, Felicia, have you, Felicia, she say, into that quite a minion, Eric. But Obia on him so on your minion, full say, many no work it out, DB. But nanti sa problem bi by mpoma ye ko ni krom ne wofa si na wo si we wa danfo show hwe asema wofa no kan ye enti madwuba so na memo me ben nam si o oy madamfo no sa danfo se na be wo ba ofa be madamfo nam si ampa Eric wo kan dan kire wofa no se me ka chen so madamfo no wo ka se me boa se wo nim friendship akra sei nam si me kofie. It's a hundred and fifty ne ofano or withdraw. Se be a same people no person can or draw statement or draw statement. Was I may intervene? Yes, I see him as a friend and as a sibling. A son saying Gitahudi ye dino, and ye sebi I con not Gitahudi. Nemo a ye I down 47 hour down for or bar. Oh, then they didn't come on. I send me tree while you can, but you feel comfortable. Talking to that female male friend more than the female friend. You see, because I'm pastor so for can you say, no upper a magrodi side nature as you said. A bama with the may Fantina. Thank you. Yes. Osana yako school we were not pedal ball. Or you be see you snap it over ball, then you are home. Only in Chad or Bono or the man is there as nature. Nemo say a crew by your young then you know park, and you know baby, and you know chapel, or home pair where ye na. The man didn't be moon, or Sunday window your young. Then window your unia. Into no or mother mazin in bim. And the mecada into tea wolf you no chill day. Them naughty. Into the middle do baby mecade. Say them a pen poba. Na ekro di kan kade dey mpo na mepede ya another mistakenly no fe one na opegwa I say didn't na dem menya dem adu no thank you say because mama ka chiro obakede didn't na dem na for dem mba enti mo ne on tasi enti dem na wa aka no onya hwe oboko fi we bisa yeri da agro no menya nkui oye me dey o cheden also that you pure bona wakeka
that time no obi omumi enu no is it time and say obi omumi no bi hu obi oba hu be man dan na say man so hu oba dan.
Yes, that was the time obi nya yida won have sex da I dey wo do one pempen so wo do them kind of feeling no nti onu we nya ne dentam into our approach no so we hu there or a wrong person you should have gone outside. E must my dineta into ono onye ni didam kita ho dem adwene ni wo fiti wo mafom abapem dem abre nti so ba afi wa ya adwendwen e ho ne ye kade adolescent stage no na afi wa ya na adwendwen on tasi nti obebisa nti so bisa ne maame ana ne papa na se wa ma na no yi ya obeye na adwendwen afi obebika bisa ni yanko a afi orbe ma na adwende wo na chede oye wo boy ode ye dey odo kedem aye o sande dem na oti na chede wo nyongbe ehu nti afi na chede adwen no orukọ ho ntam nanso nature is wonderful nyame aye no bompempendo a woni duro hu de ode mo war edu ne hu de ode wara nyu bi na obeka and could be there onye dem nyanko na anyi dinkita ho de bia no nemu obeye obi foforo wale hu de wo ko baby ehun admire no we ofie o sipesi no we efie onye dem nyanko yi beka obaka che ne yanko na ehu dem boy hu dem fine aye oye de hu dem fine but de onu mom ka de no aye dem aye tade chen ehu onu beyin no be kire ne da onya obotu win that gentleman the man beyin no so side so ka kire nde oh na yanko nyam waka chem de ehu dem ewura be hu dem fine aye me penance wo dem ade punos no ye de ye ami so me besia no me kire ne da onya obotu win that we do time or day then e war but when I go di me day the man didn't buy boa and she obey and she da obeka che ne dey me pe na wa fi na fi one fi ye another we kiss ye dem da na onyin be yo so na onyin nyi dem apam no kra
mommy my hold you na yengodi awofo krato man na ye ba e be to we he say into platonic relationship na ye kan wase ya mommy e chechire mu se nti ekoba ne say dia mene ni di mi se mene ni koba no so ensin to for lina
welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumaiza idin we aya mpobwa sort ye desert lufes lipes na de say pem works na da ebo Emmanuel yo into bracket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya ibun pem location so me wa agrek me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.
No, me do aswati say wa join you on Facebook live woni share make sure say ma also wa din kire no emra so for ofia ha na face so mommy ofia so be you obi ani sem ni nyina ano e the amount more we nimra questions nimra contributions so ma nimra na also join in live on Facebook na just say nyina yindi enkomo no emma na yehwe isi am hwese wa me no na ekoeba ye ko evangelism boom ye bibia boom you are living normal, you are living like a brother and a sister na me kwa kaka say oh chale you ko hu chiki bi wa hazi na je say me penene ma o ye pa me ni je ho na me so me ka say chale me ko hu fine gentleman bi ko je ni me lata na me so me check in raw so eti ebani sana jealousy bi amana enti so for ye na say wow, ba utani ni bompaye. So for yen let's come to our normal you. Oba wa utani ni bompaye. Aka just say oh chale. So for J. Ku bema bina senya bema ni sie ni ama no. I think say he's my kind of Ghana say penasim. No. Now abeka sachiro. So eh di empa ne about. So let's review.
Oh, come media. Then Abia Meno is standing for Mema. As a whole. Well, first of all, no, me never be like I said, no, the way I entertain, me in the midst of Emma, and me make a better Methodist, and most of my non for so. Na bebre ma man there when it comes to the fielder na you see us say yeah more but when it comes to class ebia emwa we beboa say most of the time no man na benyoma on bias kind of thing no even senior high school po very evident into no when you are in a situation bia obi ana oba bia ebia na ne bompa especially in the university, in the colleges, or baby out in the Suadia. When the ladies know so say, oh, a sharp brain, and I say, we will be a especially. Who say a honor, obia per se, or yeah, around you. And on by around you, sir, now at least there will be one or two beer, they would become attached to you in a different way, unlike the rest of the group. If your co break cry, or person sponsor will lunch. What you say? There are people like I've had people like that. Or person sponsor will lunch. But Obi wo yes and money no. That thought is not in their mind.
Just to appreciate you.
I have people like that. I've met some.
me share be ma bi o say and what hwe didin asa wonko
Oh, send your mom
yeah we need what hwe say wonko
send your mom can you see say when it comes to core relationship be worry before be relationship no the future is supposed to be the picture before now. What you say? Honestly, my ebida, there are some people are Osho Mama Kono. It hurts deep down within you because uoncophobia. No, I'm being honest with you. Listen, one of the things is that let me veer off a little. One of the things is that normally because of the fact say one ministry and sometimes you can maybe they are not too realistic.
Yeah,
they are not too realistic. Me started to make a RSM when I was around 12 years.
wow.
Did you get it? When I was around 12 years. But it's a grace. Oh, Ntebia, many of Manamu phone see omo yempeni for change me cry. Into my mother was always like, I didn't won't found one before cry and all that could land cruiser be see me. Whom you say why any? Was you me uncle say, oh uncle near, and she realized that some things have changed about me. No, I say realistic, but being realistic on this subject, you know, me oncophobia or my manamu for they've gotten married, and I said they are going out with certain people currently. Those people who are around me now, ladies, you know, when they were like, "Oh, Steve, I'm going out with this person, no, I'm going out with that person." No. Sometimes I'm shocked because initially, not meaning what you say, and not that thought is there, but sometimes, as far as we relating there, you would begin to think about possibilities. Neade because Kophobia knew Musia Dosha we are Charlie we or got a first class by this time in school year to got a first class already. We got a second class up our ocean and modern bonny at the Charlie. Oh sha, oh calculatia, and then the bob baby, oh corner. You feel say be but sometimes you feel like and yet the right time I'm the because I said for now dear. Wakum dear people check in. No, no. I don't know, sir, or Shemisi. My very closest friend is called Reverend Edmils and Hans Mensa. Reverend Bema. Reverend Hans Beye born again woman, sir. Reverend Hans, I am very close. We have been very close for I think 11 years now. And your closeness, you know. One day I told him, "Call your bank, and he knows that because of the way he loves me. Without any reason. You go school, me no, o me class away me. Oba ne class no. Ye me you to kwan ye ko preach ye ko ye crusade. Me be try wasi time me be try na me ye crusade o baby. No me no. But I say almost every sacrifice I made throughout my life for the past 11 years. He has his own ministry now. He's a resident pastor. 7 and I a father. Means I'm with ICGC. But yet you communicated together. Almost everything a baby a year together. Every conference I host, Biano, he's a speaker. If he's not a speaker or a moderator, the conference will be whether in Kumasi or in Takrade. Normally, I am okay in the state campuses. Normally, when I go, either I'm the moderator or administrator. Internet, it's been like two sides of the same coin. In Tubenya Mabia, they will pass through your hands as friends. Even one person, kind ministry cycle said daughter. Neade. You are people like that, but to be how to lose no, the way I'm relationship in the official without such strings but what to me say no we should the way nipa no growth process corner unya no abrabo ma beautiful but you don't as a person you don't exaggerate it say because of that into closeness to that nipa no I start getting into a certain kind of closeness be that is not necessary so it will blind your judgment as a person from seeing the other side. It blinds your judgment.
Yes. Is it wrong? Senior software, wrong to say, and coming no anantiache, Nami say, oh, baby, I make koi, a branch a minute, a groy. Obey to me up one me watching up, papa, I mean, same vision a cramming, and meaning in a bobra. It's a me bunny say me express here, and said a bay of you concourse snatching a man in Yamia. Mommy, need to me express here.
Obey to me. But so ye na bema no nye ho na na dwen wa me ha ho isa say ye de ukosroba for ucha utima no ondo da because who say ni nua no who say na danfo no but who nya ne dofo
na see aware say who pattern say who nua wa
no. Yes, but the love is not there.
Okay,
we are talking of love. Partners odo e na man ya ware. Inti ono ye madamfo no odoni ni ho se se ware nti onu hu bi a wado no so opese opena na me advice no na me ma no say clue no say yes na later no hu say no adenti na onu po bi na betwu adwe gina so adenti na wo ankasa o ma ne nwale wa na bi etisa na waka say o dem no ene ma menye si afi na wo be ye nioma obepew nso mpew da ebi wo ho a onu bekwa kofa oba mienu miensa no say ade na me fa awaza Lizzy wo ho na Lizzy crowd say me madam fufi me mofram Lizzy crowd to say nti bo so onu ne be discuss say Lizzy ade nti na say ge we nyina abese ye nware ye mum ye nware nti Lizzy so beka say say ye nware say baby but Lizzy jitum say okay na ye nware dia na ti say afi na onu so wonya saa do no say obewaro but senti sa hey utiti wanim ye nea obeye bia odo ni ho ebiom so na ye kan wo de sofo fato say wo bisare say real you know yes the real life one Mr. and Mrs. Bonzi baby omo bia bi chia omo na me wo charismatic me da so me Catholic me call Roman na charismatic renewal ewo cathedral takrade na ye prayers ye kwa pen down na madam for any brother Bonzi nti brother Bonzi do say brother Bonzi be wan no mu fi say Messi na me ka say brother Bonzi obeware o na me say dey bi oye madam for nti during na wona we bi sam say na wonim na yire na wonim na yire o si minim no na fi ade na obi sam me ono oye madam for nti kofo mienu miensa na me ka na mu say na fi ase obia every draw na mum afi mu focus on the lady and brother Bonzi did that say so on see madam for bibie ni entem now we didn't try say esawara yakopo show nti asem ne nti brother Bonzi ba ware okan oni fufuo nso be to wo makoma anu fufuo ne koma no say ne yiri o chere say ne edi fufuo yes because ni interest ewo lady no so enye Mercy ne don so wo ho enti
mo me ka che o say o person ware wan ka be
oh no
ka onye
debi
na mienu no kra ni mo me onye
apa yes because that time ne do say ye nyina ya so aware yes
na we hu dia open dada
na that time po aware po ma metirim
but obi na wo check no kana kaka
yes na me obi am check no yes na me obi am check no it's no but when we say Satan no suppo na me am check no po wetu kwan oh no that time I call Gambia.
Oh okay
no that time it also advise him say ka ono ye na ye fro wi a oni me kun me yes he became my husband too yes
okay
oni no beka sana the following year na me so my wedding look at the plans I share but na kwa say ono oba time me ko di tema ho ne yentem tete kakra me ko di tema nti na oba ye wo tema na odi kwansa na nti me be share busa boss biom no po na ase ma ware po wi no ono ware kransa na it's me patch say sa relationship no say edu sa pempenzu say edu say say ware a me do say wadwi nim udo ni ho na fi akwa say enam bibinti wo sa boyi wa disappoint ododo aden na wo mema me ensakra na wakon na omo hawadwen mame ware o debi onu ba na dwen da baby wo ohun no ohun say na danfo enti say empo no odi yawa na say passion na so odi ware wa odoni ni ho odoni makrada but ebi wo naturally no ono do uno no nti ebedru ho no na fi the love is coming odono afi ebeba
ebi anaduane bi a wo ye ma no
na fi afi both of them no omienu no asati says eno no omo ware a it's wonderful and it's we say ampaso ase omo lenke nti omo aware etimi ba ne sa but men fa frustration and I say enyo mebi na won ka say enu nti mame nwaro na yin na because I don't want to see you suffering. Nti say my dear eno enya dwuma da. Nti abeye say young ones na eba no. So you wada be yourself. Na me question mark bi ama otiri say enam say ono ampo waboa me down eda na me maame wi kra no ye me say nti enya hwe maame nware no ena eda no ono kra no boa me ko school mpo ono no tua me fees ono no ye say enya hwe maame nware no ye de na wo ye de na wo chire me nua me so me ba so enti mesre sade no ya de a ewo ho naturally no nyakopon ededom yen ewo ya wa no mum enye say ye mienu no ye tena nyame kasa ekwan bi befa ye nyina ye beti ye ho ase ne aba ne sa se ani se ba ne sa na obi do ewo baabi na obi ani so wo baabi a don't force them to come together esa e be breaki
yo enti no ye hwe se titi enhwe na adumi anti amfaso ne amfa frustrations amfa ye ne me bi ni se ye na no so for me bi say eba me say na ene nka yenye prayers and fasting nko an ye prayers and fasting ba the sa na ki dey na me because you know like want to me end deceiving nature want to me to enjoy say we swerving nature because at the end say at the end e better okun ho a wa wunye bi da na wa say wunya sa feeling and I say for say why you bi mpoda wa we dey be okokohie bi wo wakwemu ena nyame adoma wache ohwe furu na ade aba be hihye okon ho efoforo ko mu ni ade to avoid this no say ke ye bompa ya ni ade ankaye
ye bompa ya eye but as I say ye ti ase say bibia ni ni place bibia ni ni place say ye ni one of the things is develop priorities as will be any priorities. We are me young, but I say no go area for you because wangasa no unimuho. Atia say wangasa unimuho. One of the things mabehu about senior these things happen most of the time. Say a free platonic relationship, then seemingly sex has started be boom name. It's because of a name be a yesh, and name be a yeti, and phobia yefa.
In the midst of the friendship.
In the midst of the friendship, to say me know ya now for. And yet possible saying my whole world don't want me uncle. And yet possible because me were classmates. Me were minimum crofwa in class. Or to me, oye oba or to me better not bear man so and also bearman to me quite oba so and they have all sorts of things also in the class. What you say? And while that person is growing, who to me who say on share dance so much. O to me nam kromo hu ne onko oba na ne onko be ma bro ne be ma na oba na. O to me kono akofe na fo no ho na say. O to me again in such a way be you can just imagine. Obi a ogina ho bi a hwe na owo ne obeden obedwene aha. Into no ye betumi aso ne ma bi sa no dia then ese ye hwe the kind of things ye di twa ye ho hia. Because anya sa pan dia se ne ania ma akoi obi a watenka nipa bie ni ho ni atenka obi a watenka but how a wo manage watenka no and important into the first thing na is we set principles ni certain protocols around you we am young all right and yes principles you cannot stop somebody from falling in love you see we to me stop the physical things but to me stop it so abruptly the psychological things just like that say stopping me from falling in love with you. Why am I falling in love with you? In same year, me no shia ya kano. I build the baby. What you say? Who say anangofano? It is a spider web. What you say? Into no the enema ya diba ya anangofano mu na be say it will grow as strong as sapo. Na be it say net ya de chinam. Ana say enyesa. And it's all dependent on enema ya di good relationship no. What you say? Into no nyamedi can relationship no nyamedi bam nyame contribute to relationship no. If you call dinner, oh Charlie, my bata oh yanko lunch. Oh okay, me were off this time into no day. I no pick me jumum. Need off time be how they pick no. Mo call lunch now. What do you talk about? Mo call lunch now. In her appearance no. What do you look at? What you say? Yeah, one member be a.
Oh, but so to make us so mindful.
Oh yes, of course. To make a. But listen, being practical enough. We are not trying to try to be over spiritualizing the amount. Being practical enough. Viewers ne be very honest to themselves. Who uncle phobia only on dinner, lunch, and abi only to us friends. Now, ebia, excuse me to say, you are trying to imagine what is under Omatari or Moshe.
Oh, really?
What you say? Yes, of course. I've been stubborn before and son may buy into ministry. And I started ministry before I became a Christian. What you say? But that gave me the opportunity to say me to me I pretended them more. Because me a ministry, Mr. Tenya me a human son and maybe you're born again. Maybe yes, it's not about who preach here, it's about who do married. Into no yeah they preaching and near man kata near maybe so yeah near maybe within those seasons. Into there are times I near no for out and I say your friends near there, you know more. As we are looking at them, maybe our dress, excuse me to say, there are some, we say, ne bra line will draw, and then you are sitting down, and then you wouldn't need income, but good. You are watching them. We are trying to be very practical and realistic here. Of course, men, and men are, men are really moved by what they see. Women are moved especially by what they hear. Into when Bema, true. Okay, mommy say no Bema bia. Yeah, when Bema waka say Obaka say I love you. First statement. Any free and no, a be free in a reaction. Obe shall style be. He's not expecting to hear this. Me sure be answered because Obinka Sanche meda. But Obia here any of course. Of course, I have. Of course.
And then yeah, baby, so me the Fridays here, and no, Costa be the tree, the Kenya, so on coronavirus, I don't man, so trust me, the bet you a Kenya, the so for
indeed, who's a yeah, one crophobia, me practically say no. I many experiences nibida, only in Crawford, related, and all of a sudden, no, you start getting that mixed feeling, no. What you say? Bibi start to say keka because umuno chale adrenaline will move into nema bi kono hu bibi ti bibi and no best start to say Kenya bibi then what start to share some movies bibi a share some and ne friend Christian movie kra hu nema bi wom. What you say? Wa bra you are trying to run away from it enti na share so called Christian movie no but who be share na wodwa na free who be share wom.
Okay, so for moment pacho me ba na o de WhatsApp na atwas mami any ebusion form my joining on Facebook in the Nkomo Embra. Nana Eji say I'm here today too. And Nana, oh auntie, off of phone number and for home macra no pay. You, Mami Nketiaba. Or say yes, it has been a whole lot. Hey, Mami, what have ever been said, Anna? And I will say that you, Andrew Blay, Reverend Andrew Blay, say, oh, Amma, what's your mind? And next time we are on a year. Kojo freestyle. See you on Patrioty away. Freestyle see me encourage. Or see for 4 party no. For 4 party no. Kojo see me bisao. My name Raso and Friday. Fire call Bioni Yabakona. Yonya Kwanko Chicha be my own coronavirus or then we day. E.T. Kojo, Nukrana na Wakano. I Bomadiana Bra, why? Na feel kakra. Jay-Z so on him. Share Grace Pentecostal AG. Almost any the Pentecost for really can't King Ropa. Sorry, almost any share KZ Cobman. Also any Ibrahim Razak. When he share live on Facebook. Mauli so any share live on Facebook. You know, it was your mom money shaking and I mean, Shamusha said, Mudimu comment and then also everybody really more. And then your corner, yeah, so you're the tree area and to know fear join your watch party. Now, when you be so ancient, won't find it in real because Ghana, the empire, so your Kosuan say, Woban is to go to phone, Pomadiana, where's our man, the local could age Ramsey Kofi, 1 year Patrick Atta. Avatar, also, within that coma Kamanoa, ono so woni e ehwe Fuseni Moro oni ehwe live on Facebook I remember my timeline so edum so ahwe any ehwe e wa hase Eric May so say I love this show enyo so na me so be love it so wa wo ba na o ka show on so and you know Prince Nana Ocho say warmly greetings to you dear thank you Major so for say I'm at work now will join you in a jet for you yeah yes you wa hase you know yeah twen wo and you know Nana Kwame minister so woni she mommy yeah brenu e betu what wo e betu mi aye bra ni sa and you know just say they na wo kan pacho to aso mami
na so for kasa no no ka say example de bisa na ka say obetimi invite no ne ade na we invite ni pa no na wo hwe no ina na ono so hwe outer na se akwese ono wo ho no na dwen ni so nim se na danfo no wo be fa no epie oni boyfriend kra nim se na danfo no nti no how ne say na at the moment se bia impose atampo no ni boyfriend bia mpo at the moment wo ankasa wo be ya wadwen say oh there be sisi a wonya saatin kana ma no nti meni ni be ye bibi no bi mpo that day na wo be force ni na ye bibi no o kasa ho ehwa no wo be ya aka ehwa no mu be ya tamfo from there esan say wo se ne wo dwen ma no nye sa no no dwen nti onti ase da say wo wadwen se ya ma no fa wo se nua na fe wo ne na ye bibi etisi emi was atam no betimi akeke buti but asa no so akwese oh okay wo de nya hwe nti obegya no ho ama se ne opesa wo ya ne se one ne beda okay wati no nada obi anu anu no ono wa yaka you become enemy nf obroni beka till the rest of the life say adoma ndom no ama wanya saa no anka se osimesime de obone achew ebe ho atula till that kingdom come serious at times ebi wo ho a ofa se ni nadanfo no a enye enu free mu ti se empo sa adwene ba anana fofo peer pressure no mo ka wo jeja ho ese wo yese se wo de mama taken it down to a mema mo repeat Emma, especially me servants ni ade no. Na dan fo be me bi beba, chale, Kelly you 7 fine na we ending. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, enye say Roman sum, me party say wo efie mu. So, efie mu esi. Sa na sa anamfofa na ewo be ma ne oba ni ntem na onim say ye na danfo. Wan dream sa ma oda na da ko invite no ni fie wa ye aduane kama na ogigye ho ni tirimu fa na bia wo de eyi kakra gum no wa ye tipsy na fi wa ye mre na wo ne na da shi hwe ono be ya ka se nyankopon ha memu a that will be the end of you I feel put the obe raise curses on you curses na I feel the Bob Marley kind na bem your worst enemy will be your best and your best friend will be your worst enemy. Enti enu de say ye hwe ne bie me pese me ka we e kire emaba wa ne mranti a omo si so
dress in so fa kan ho
me da say
fa your dress in fa kan ho yeah me for so what me kojo eni me lata no what ma kesa what that to me easy
you see
oh obechi me easy to see me see so enti what ni so watch about my hair sa me see watch there me hu
and okay say ye hwe ni so no be na we yo what hwe ni so okay no ye dressing no so aya dress to kill we say it but no just say you want to so oh me pe short dress ma she edame ha uti we say decent me pe abuskeleke okay eyi bi eni me ha nti wo de eyi na ma share crop top mo friend crop top nti ma share crop top en sheda expose too much say me fe na me she enu che se bi o ma oba bi ngu ho ana say ma onufo ana atare light a obeyi eyi first no poni e ka say wa she she say wa she o so wa she gwa Fante no akeda wa she gwa sisi I gwa she no po am de wa akofo and I thank God for that. Enti but the dresses
ne sa laptop na obehye no na atare na ohye ne chibe obe access o pechi mi pa me ni sa de mi bia no ehu echire hwi na afide de na akwa kwati afas
nti onyi de se wo if they are wo ye dem anyankotifa no wo ma dem ade no de yi e de kire na kire okay obi o ye dem na kire opede
okay
o win nti na o ye dem kire no aha nti se enye dem a yen dressing dey o de hwe because o wunu abeyin e fa nda o wunu abeyin se bi o ebe tuma yi wo da wunu abeyin o hwa e wo o motia
minya be ma pa de ya de omudi ya me wa ase na nya asem kito
oh and
minya be ma pa de ene me fa o mu go fi ase
Sunday aya
ti aba ne so for afem de na me nya sa
God bless you. That is the difference. That is the every can I say so ban so far fam pa de enye dem that is the difference. Nti ode kwan bia no ha ode ye hwe baby a ye be sese ye ho afa ye ko beach be se be ye ye wo fie be se ye kwan yanko me se be ye ye yankasa ye ho so efie so ye nti on the dress ne de me ntum kan pi ne mom ti de make wale wa dwene be ka kiro de ebe ya ha modi me fe yi ko there ko office mpo na akede me ko office na obi wo office a me pene nti no ma me hye dem atem ebe
mi office ase do go
ebe na che wale egu eyi mas ayo wekada ayo gba ayi dem na che ayo gba mpo awono wo ho no krampo no afi wo so meanwhile and shay to target one person adena ye na ye de dream nipa krupo nti na ye dem ade
so do obi owo juma de juma na no bi kakra wo no hunje se wo ye na che se afa na na imu ase de so ni
na ayo gba kra nti dem na ye mekan se ye fande ye nje dem azi ye hwe ye hu ye wo dem azi hu na ayankofa no so amesre ebie no won hwe de baby ye dris we dru he na aware pedo ne say ampa de ye ebie ni ye bete ye ho ase ni awara asemi enyi ho so obi no don so wo baby a just encourage and let it, no matter how you feel no matter there e don dudu ebi wo ho don na ma de oluko no e ne ye wo ni yanko so ka me papa e kan so wan pin e kan yo so wan ye onka na oyo yo
on the nyamsu
I don't say
ejinisem na fe de yakobo wani mi endini
me say na fe be blame nyame de gu mem gane dem montase oye tase na oye donti so tase na fe ohun de o ampa amanember onyi de ye wadwen de emanember mo hu de o ampa so na kwadwe no ho no we hu de se what's na obeye ya ono ba na se nye dem na se okay ende okompo na kekanyama oba dem so wontem titi o bo nda fi woni egitamudi ayankofa no na no mu atito sa de dem no tinti
enti sofo enti sofo enti uzi oba no wanti ase ama okko enti den na
it's not about oba na ntiase ama per se but sene mama kanu it's about understanding. Because an amphona ono, ebinum betumi ayo very good. Ebinum betumi ayo very good. And there's a say ultimate here obi ani ni place. O abrabom. Nkrofo bi o abrabom a you should not even dare propose to them. And say o pe ho asem kra ka che o mo say me pe o.
Thank you.
Because an amfo bi o ho a nyame de won na chew. Ebi enye nne na be hu no mo so mfaso but omo mfaso ni about 10 years to come 15 years to come but that person must trust you within a course of time.
Thank you.
Because be amoke ka kono ano sha no de do you think it's a president or teso no sorry no far running mate me sure say enye the first time or so mo say okay me be president what you say into movement be akoso at least anya cry there enye less than probably 2 years 3 years ana bibi what you say e say me to me gini what level be. What you say? Into certain people were abrabuma and say pay once I'm cry at this a pass him nibim. Because you are the natural, such a DB. I bet to send a mamma Wunia. Into no, a so to me who be a on only place a war abrabum. Now would we are very best so be keeping pano. And that particular level. Now I appreciate the presence no with you. They walk of so on the level of platonic relationship, no, you can see Senipa way so no or your blessing. In fact, Uma meno munampo ehunu se wunia. Obia so hunu se wunia. In fact, one can't trouble abontin sunia, only Senipa yonya wunia. What you say? And it's a personal decision between the two of you. Somebody decide where that relationship tends to. But Kai say if a platonic relationship there, then a pair issues in the matter of the scene. Until say Bakube decide say, I want it to take the next level. That is where a name assessor. A free level of say, oh, yenam AI is our for. And so there's nothing like our same matter be a yentem. That friendship is very possible. You know, having people, especially university, for my main can winner and comma mini anoma universities, new colleges, near the
Thank you.
Thank you. You call camp, you could share for.
Scripture union, maybe you, not me a president in my time.
Wow.
School, not me a scripture union president. And then I just say, you went to the young woman by a
So do. So do.
But so with me,
I'm going to Wednesday a year fast and pray.
We did.
Let me feel for no more say, me Baba time, man, your family winning it. Say, spirits,
thank God.
Me, won't have no winner who so
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Let me mix a name of fear.
Glory be to God.
When I said, say yes, maybe.
Glory be to God.
See what I'm sitting at
now, yeah, me did passing your coupon tea and Bible.
Oh,
You said
yeah,
your president Koti, Second Chronicles 7:14. Also say your brain wasi. Na say ye brain say your brain wasi near tea. Ye our friends and ma near tea near sufferna. Or the boy in the betting. No, where he lay in line. Now, where Sanya Sassy? Yes. And he said, how can you, boy, yeah, will be put to be paid. That means this prayer, no matter how corona spread, you know, Yakupon, amen. What you training in him, amen.
Thank you. Sorry to Sabate. Journey my appreciate you. See, you made me know you. Me know NA or Wakra, me who sign a cost to which they want to cry. And you know, some more kujo. And why I'm changing, you know what let me say. Or a fine boy is not a student, you know, more checking rough. When he shall like Kujana name Rasta Hay. Say, yo, found no, and a lucky at the mammy. Daniel Fosu, on us 1 year share. Mama who, Mama Uli. San Alex, also 1 year Yamishramu, and I feel so Apostle GH, Apostle GH, Sheila, Ashong, Sheila, hi. A deal be an ending. Mammy, if you are Pokia Pia, 1 year share, and some Etison. Here was 1 year Yami, a shop of papa, and then no, share say, platonic relationship by a dear no far from whom there has a war enemy between me, Ejimano. Young Kofana, I love you, and found in a no gunya, and then they see a was still has say, and catch us say, and then we took on the Macaka of far, a year social welfare department, or my opinion, who didn't want put in a palm of fun, Edinburgh studio, as I said, in fact, in my order. I said, no, producing make a kind of person what you credit to you. And I feel so me what part me pastor Nana Ije boy she or no ICGC above for some pattern and catch us all boy. No above for some will show to a born home or didn't penny for no, Madame Munina said to us a friend more a buy and I'm never did you. I hope say a year twice on a binya more night to say, Coswana, Mommy put there, Minya, sir. I don't know, I had Nsemsem Dwumadze, I know, GTV, and this Dwumadze winning. I brought from Monday to Friday. Kingsman, classic shoes, and almost saw ya see a woman, share, well near sharing so, and you will show it. And if you are saying no, one handsome gentleman, be an above person, I mean, media Juma will appear down qua, work FM. Piece of original correspondence. On any about that quaddy how. Now, see a cow beer or mammy amma, mini about bonting, pan did ya no credit and 27.
Yes.
Or mammy amma, no about bonting pan did ya. And make up papa, a year Patrick Kojo and email Arthur. na me dey share to me man and then to me share me who say me yipi na me try me dey award na ka me ye be but
God bless you. Thank
you
you.
no wa be say me wa say me we sika ne flow nti am person me solid you make me so ntem na me ko ji sika ne bi man dey no fa e be din papa my nti no nya me show and that's my person wa ba MCL I said and dey oboa CEO fufuo no pacho ba ne nsu na tese bibie ntu na fa me di e de nana ama boy do en ko ponya no Monday ya ba sa ba just cry ya me show will be.
Thank you.
Welcome to Kingsman Classic Shiswan in Ghana. Jumaiza idun we ya mpobwa. Mpobwa so to desert, loafers, slippers na de. Say pemu works na da ebo Emmanuel yo into blanket Kingsman Classic Shiswan for Facebook and me product ya ebun pemu location so me wa agrek. Me no me 0247 40 39 80 with us made in Ghana from Kingsman Classic Shiswan.